Hello! So it has been 2 weeks since Reset, and I just wanted to say thank you to everyone for watching. Sa lahat ng mga nagstanding ovation, sa lahat ng sumigaw, namalat, nakisayaw, nakising along. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. I truly appreciate all of you guys. At syempre gusto ko rin mag-thank you sa lahat ng pumunta sa meet and greet. I wanted to do more, but I'm sorry, I was very tired. Some of you guys wanted to sing with me, but I couldn't because may isang gabi na talagang malat na ako. Meron namang mga gustong kumanta sa harap ko, so kumanta sila. So thank you, I appreciate all of that. And yung mga nagbigay ng gifts, you guys really didn't have to. But again, I appreciate it. Thank you very much to all the wonderful gifts. I wanted to do so much more, especially sa signing. Some of you would tell me yung may mga story kayo, and I appreciate yung mga story na kinakwento nyo sa akin. Some are very personal. Thank you for trusting me. Unfortunately, syempre may time limit tayo kasi hindi tayo aabot sa dulo kung hindi natin bibilisan ng konti, kaya pasensya na kayo. But sa totoo lang, naiiyak ako nung last na meet and greet. Kasi parang I was being showered by so much love. Like I don't even think I deserve it. I don't especially think that yung performance na pinakita ko deserved it, you know, but you guys were there. Talagang you showered me with love. And I am humbled. Truly humbled. Naiiyak ako, hindi ko lang pinapahalata, pero naiiyak ako talaga. Alam mo yung nilulunok mo yung iyak mo. Pero masaya ako. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal na ipinakita nyo. Nung nagsa-standing ovation kayo, you were probably wondering why I reacted that way. It's because I couldn't believe it. Kasi feeling ko parang talaga ba, deserve ba ng standing ovation yung mga pinakita ko? And para sa akin, parang hindi masyado. But again, I am grateful. Thank you. Thank you very much. I wish I could have performed better. I wish my voice was in a better condition. But some of the nights, hindi masyado. But still, the show must go on, so I did my best because that's the only thing I could do, to do my best, to show up and do my best. Wala, yun lang. I am incredibly grateful and also parang ang weird na that's the kind of reaction I was getting. Pero sobrang nakakasaya ng puso kahit na nai-insecure ako sa performance ko. Pinupunan nyo yung lahat ng yun dahil sa mga ipinakita ninyong kindness sa akin. Thank you very much. And nakakatuwa na magme-message pa kayo na kahit hindi ka na kumanta, tumayo ka lang, happy na kami. Magko-conceptualize ako ng concert na tatayo lang ako, hindi ako kakanta. Pero nandun pa rin kayo. Ang ganda nun, ha? No, but really, hindi ko alam kung gaano kadaming thank you yung gusto kong, yung kailangan kong sabihin para maiparamdam sa inyo na talagang sobrang grateful ako sa inyo. Maraming salamat. And I don't know when I'll be able to do this again. Yung series ba? Siguro this year, hindi na muna. I probably need to rest my voice first. But I hope makita ko pa rin kayo sa susunod na performance ko. Maraming salamat. God bless you all. Remember to always pray and to always be kind.